Perk, I know you have a big list of big-time matchups you're looking out for next season, so the floor is yours, fam.
Oh, God.
We don't know a lot, but the one thing we do know is that I have 2 days left for work and I'm going on vacation. So I might as well go out with a bang. And this is Big Perk's big list of big-time matchups. This is not Shanae's. This is not Mark Spears. This is not Ramona's. And it's definitely not Richard Jefferson. It is my list. So coming in at number 5, fix your body language, Squidward. Bam! Number 5, we rolling it right now. Celtics versus Knicks. Last season, these teams went at it in the regular season. Now, guess what? The Celtics are going to be visiting Madison Square Garden. Kristaps Porzingis, we know that the New York Knicks fans are going to give him a warm welcome. Right? A lot of boos. It's going to be a hostile environment. How Jalen Brunson and Julius Randle are going to match up against Jaylen Brown and Jason Tatum. At number 4, Shanae, never mind the legend, Mark Spears, I'm throwing you the lob. FBI, run it.
Bam!
Yeah!
There you go. There you go. The Phoenix Suns and the Dallas Mavericks. And look, I understand it's not going to be beef there, but damn it, it's going to be entertaining. We're talking about 5 of the most electrifying scores in the game today when you talk about Luka, Kyrie, Bradley Beal, Kevin Durant, Devin Booker. It is going to be fireworks. And right there, that's just some little love taps, a little lip boxer, but we love it. Coming in at number 3, Ramona, a.k.a. Momo. Give it to me.
Bam!
There we go.
Not quite as good as Mark,
That's the
but
energy I need. That's the energy I need. The Miami Heat going back into Milwaukee. We saw what happened in the first round of the playoffs and Jimmy Butler imposing his will, talking noise to Drew Holiday. And then after the fact, we saw Giannis Antetokounmpo posted on his social media, basically saying he gonna remind the world of who the hell he is. I cannot wait for this matchup. Whether or not the Heat got Damian Lillard, it is going to be something to see. Coming in at number 2, Shanae, I know you hosting today. I know you got to talk a lot, but damn it, give it to me.
Bam!
There we go. That's the energy I need. And this is ring night. This is Beyonce me. Ring night for the Denver Nuggets against the Los Angeles Lakers in the altitude. AD, what you gonna do? Jamal Murray, you're not playing right now for your country because you know what's at stake for us repeating. Is Anthony Davis and the Lakers gonna send a message with a full training camp up under their belt? Richard, I ain't gonna be mean to you, man. Help me out at number 1. Never mind, I lied. Bam! I'm gonna take number 1 because you know I don't like you anyway. You just a colleague. I'm going with the Golden State Warriors and the Sacramento Kings. Yes, De'Aaron Fox, Steph Curry. We already know how they went at it. Damn it, it's the old school versus the new school. Let me see what Malik Monk go add to his bag. Draymond Green just got a $100 million extension. Is he gonna come out and do what he do best and try to stop Sabonis? What's gonna happen? Are we gonna be lighting up the beam or we gonna be lighting up the loud? Again, this is Big Perk's list, and it's only right that since I'm
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.